Pretty steep this draw. We gotta carry lots of stuff up, so I tied an econo line up there, and now the boys are dragging the hose up without putting ourselves in slippy, slidey danger. Good to go. Just watch for bouncing rocks. I am somewhere in British Columbia I have always wanted to go, and I am loving it. I know there's a lot of chaos and stuff happening in the central interior, and a lot of people are working really hard to get on top of everything there. For me, this is where I belong though. Out in the wilderness, it's what I do best. And hope everything goes well for people down south. Already had 3 friends lose their homes. So part of me would like to be doing more to help you. But it's all important work we're doing, so someone had to come here. And luckily for us, it was us.
You mind just bombing down to the staging? Yeah, copy that en route.
Nice shooting, good shot.